Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices. Unlock the car's infotainment and your phone. Plug a good USB cable into the phone, or enable wireless pairing if your Grand I10 supports it. On your phone, open Android Auto and accept permissions for location, microphone, and notifications so maps and voice work. Once done, tap the car name on your phone's Bluetooth list if prompted. Then watch the head unit prompt for connection. Accept it so the phone projects Android Auto. Once the initial link is active, choose Android Auto on the Grand I10 display and confirm any permission dialogues. You should see your phone's compatible apps. Select Maps, Music, and Phone to appear as tiles. Make sure you set the voice assistant, Google Assistant, so you can use hands-free commands. Then configure audio output to the car speakers and enable Do Not Disturb while driving to reduce distractions. If icons don't show, restart the phone and reselect Android Auto on the head unit. To drive with Android Auto, rely on voice. Say "Hey Google," then a command for navigation, calls, or music so you keep both hands on the wheel. If the connection drops or audio stutters, first swap the USB cable. If wireless, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone, then reconnect. Make sure your phone OS, Android Auto app, and the Grand i10 firmware are up to date. If problems persist, reboot both systems. A final tip: clear the Android Auto cache and app settings if stubborn glitches remain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.